Hi guys, so here I'll be showing you how my software can convert your simple markdown file into a PDF. So let's say this is my markdown file and I want to create a PDF for it. So first I need to edit something in it. Let's say we just edited something and it got saved. Then we just go to our code and run the function. It automatically it automatically creates it automatically creates the PDF file, as you can see over here. Now, if you want to change something in it, you don't need to do anything except just go to your go to your Obsidian file and change anything in it. Let's say you want to change the client name, Google. It gets saved over here. Now you just go back and run the file again, and then come back. It will update your PDF file. Google. It changed it. So it does. It also works across different files, different Markdown files. So let's say this is one Markdown file. You have another Markdown file. We change this to Amazon. You can just go back to creating a different PDF and here. So it just takes the latest file that has been updated in your Obsidian and it creates a PDF for that markdown file. So this is how you can use the software to instantly create a PDF for your markdown files. So I hope it helps you creating client update and invoicing mails and PDFs. So do let me know how you think about this.